Hello and welcome to my first video that I'm going to do regarding a company that I came across called Carrot Bars. I must say I'm very positive about this company, and this is one of the things that I've been looking or basically looked at for a while now. The thing is obviously the big hype was regarding the cryptocurrency market and going into a market that we don't even understand or actually know, but the only thing that we look at is to know that we're making money out of it. That is why we do what we do. So at the end of the day, this is a company that basically works like this. You actually you take your money that you currently do have, and you can buy different business packs. So you get bronze, silver, gold, and VIP. But what it also does is that once you purchase something, you actually do get the physical thing back in terms of, if I can take cryptocurrency as something. So that is where you take your FICA money, you buy something that's online, if I explain it correctly, and at the end of the day, the crypto money, you don't actually physically touch it. But with this, it works differently. So how it works is, I'm going to take this card as an example. This is a card that you get. Now the value of this card is 100 euros. There you see, that's 100 euros. So basically this is a voucher card. So if I purchase a VIP or basically a VIP business packet, I'll get 100 euros discount. But what also happens is you do get physical gold. So you get cards. I'll show you images now where you actually get 1 gram gold. There's 5 gram and there's 10 grams. But the main thing about it is when you exchange your FICA money or the paper money that you do have in your wallet currently, you also do exchange it for physical gold. So you've got actual gold in your hand. It's not like it's in the air. And then also what you can do is you can maybe, if you don't want to use physical gold, you can actually just put it into the vault, and that get links, or basically does get linked to your Mastercard or your Visa card. And then every time you make a transaction with your card, it just deducts it from the gold amount that you do have. So it's actually a very easy and simple way. I'm basically going to explain to you a prospectus that I've put together that explains to you how the money side or making the money side part of it happens. Obviously, you can become an investor if you just want to buy gold to have gold, to keep it for 5 years, 10 years, to sell it after a while. But where the big money actually lies is where you actually tell people about your experience, like I'm doing now. Also, just to tell people that if you look at the past 100 years of gold, the value of gold hasn't jumped up and down. It went slightly up, goes slightly down, goes slightly up. But the main thing is, in the last 100 years, gold is still something that doesn't have an effect on the public. So the public doesn't decide, I want gold all of a sudden, and boom, the price goes up, or whichever the way. Like cryptocurrency, for instance, happened with the Bitcoin. I call it a freak out last year when the Bitcoin price went ridiculously high and all of a sudden it just dropped down. Gold has got basically a stable growth rate, if you can put it like that. Okay, let's get to the fun part. I'm going to show to you now how I've put it together. The currency is in euro because you get paid in euro, and the nice thing is that if you tell somebody about this and they purchase a packet through you or a business packet through you, through your referral link and code that you do get, you also get paid in euros. So for me, and for instance, in South Africa, we get paid, or our currency is South African rand. So for every 1 euro I make, I get 17 rand. So that's actually quite a bargain for me. But yeah, let's go through the stuff and let me explain to you how it works. So obviously I made this myself. It's just for the video purpose of it. This is the different packs you get: bronze business pack, silver business pack, gold business pack, and the VIP one. The VIP is obviously the big boy. So this is easy to explain. The bronze pack, business pack, is 180 euros. So you're going to get 0.1 cash gold. So it's like a physical card where the gold will be in the middle. I can actually show you now. And then obviously this is what you get. You get a brochure, you get a golden pin to attach to your shirt or whatever. So when you do see a client or you see a family member and they see the pin, then they know that you're a guy that's investing in gold. You get your profit card. This is actually a profit card where this is 100 euros. So what happens is, say you purchase the bronze pack, business pack. Then you get 2 of these cards, but it won't be 100 euros. It will be like, say for instance, 20 euros. then when you recommend someone to buy the bronze pack, you can give this to the person as a voucher to say, listen, it is actually 100 euros, but you can get it for 150 euros, but it's all up to you. Obviously, the K-Exchange brochure, it's a sticker as well. The sticker is basically, if you walk past a shop, you also do get some of the places that says they accept Visa or Mastercard. Now, this is like a type of sticker that you can put on your car to say that you trade gold. And this is also a way to publicize to the people around you that you are someone that does take gold in, and you also exchange it for fika money at the end of the day. Okay, right. So what also happens is, this is your basically, it's all there. You can read it through as well. This is where the fun part comes in. So what does this 5% commission mean? You have to buy a bronze, you have to buy a bronze business package to earn commission. And then also, once you've bought the bronze business pack, you can earn commission out of it, because you can sign up for free, it's fine, but you have to physically invest into the gold to get commission in gold when you resell it. But this is the fun part. It's not feeling like I'm selling a pen to somebody. I'm actually selling something to someone that's actually going to be beneficial to them. It's not a thing that they can use like makeup or something they consume. It's actual gold. It's got value. It's got something that you can keep for your children one day in the long run. That's why I hate the word selling, because it's not selling something. It's actually giving something or giving advice to someone that's actually going to be beneficial at the end of the day. It's actually a really good thing, I must say, and that is why I'm so positive about it. I'm not a guy that does videos like, I'm very, how do you say, shy, because the thing is like this November thing. I'm trying this out just to exploit myself. People, they do like look at it, but it's for cancer. It's for a good cause. So this is also for a good cause. So this is why I'm doing it. Right. So let's get back to the business. So what happens is, obviously you refer your friends and your family through your referral website. You do actually get 5 different links. That's got 5 different landing pages. You get your own back office, everything. It's so cool. Okay, right. So you get 5 commissions of the amount of the bronze pack. So you've got a bronze pack and somebody buys a bronze pack. So that means the bronze pack is 180 euros. The guy pays it, or the person, your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, they buy it. Then you earn 5% commission of the 180 euros. So that's going to be 9 euros. So every time somebody buys 100 or buys a bronze pack through you, you earn 9 euros direct income every Friday. So if 10 people bought the bronze pack through your referral link, that's 9 times 10. It's all up to you. It all depends on how much work you put into this. Okay, and obviously, so your commission will be 9 euros every time someone buys a bronze business pack through your referral link. Great. So this is your entry level one. That's if you don't know do the business, or you want to actually try to upgrade, or not upgrade, I would say, if you want to just to get used to the physical products, how it works and what to do. Right. So I'm actually going to go down to the one that I would recommend. You obviously do get the VIP business pack. Now this is it's 2,150 euros, but the pack that you get is much bigger. It's like here, for instance, you get 40 times profit, or 40 profit cards, 40 of these cards. You've got a 3 1-gram classic card. It's actually cards that's got physical gold on it. You can actually lock it in your vault if you want to. It's all up to you. Right, so you've got your presentations, everything, but this is the fun part. You get 20% commission. 20%. So how it works is, you obviously buy the VIP pack, you own the VIP pack, you get your referral links, everything. Now, this is where the cool part starts in. So, let's start from the beginning. You refer your friends and family through your referral website, and they buy a VIP business pack, then you get 20% commission of the amount of the VIP business pack. People, it's 2,150. It's 20% of that amount. So look at this. So I've actually explained the whole thing now. So because you've got the VIP pack, it's the big one. You've got someone that buys the bronze pack, but you bought the VIP one. You still get commission. You will also get 20% commission of if a referral buys a bronze business pack. The amount will be 20% of 180 euros equals to 36 euros. 36 euros. You didn't do anything. You just sent your referral code. There you go. Proof, money done. Same happens with a silver pack. 20% of 450 euros, you get 90 euros. I think that's ridiculously great. 20% of if someone buys a gold pack, because you're higher, the VIP level is the highest one you get. There, from 1,100 euros, you get 20%. That's 220 euros for doing nothing. You're just sending out your referral codes. You're duplicating the system that I'm doing here. If you don't like this, you can Google another YouTube video. They're everywhere. But the thing, this is what's making it easy. It's because the system is duplicatable. You can copy and paste, copy and paste. The more people you tell this, the better it will be. The more money you will make. The more time you get to spend at home. Last thing. So your commission, this is amazing. So the VIP business pack is 2,150 euros. 20% of that amount is 430 euros. 430 euros. So your commission will be 430 euros every time someone buys a VIP business pack through your referral link. People, do you understand how much money you can make out of this? This is ridiculous. It's something that it's mind-boggling. And the fun thing is that people, they do know gold. They understand gold. It's been here forever, before we've been born. It's not something that's new. It's not something that you feel afraid about, because you know gold is everywhere. Physically everywhere. The main thing about this company is they want people that is on the street to be able to own basically gold without actually going to a mine and chip something off a piece of rock and they've got gold. This company wants people to own gold. It's amazing. It's freaking amazing. Right, here's a photo. So this is how it looks if you buy the VIP pack. This is the gold cards I spoke about. So you'll see in the middle, it's actually got a gold plate and it's got a code on it to state the amount of like, say for instance, that's 1 gram gold, and then the serial code for that specific gold that's been put on the card itself. No, it's ridiculous. Obviously, and you get your different levels of gold cards as well. You'll see if I go down here, you'll get your books for presentation wise. This is the cards I spoke about that you can give away for, say, your brother, your mother, your wife, or whoever. If you get this and you say, listen, it's 2,100 euros for this VIP pack, but here's 100 euros off. So you save 100 euros. I mean, come on, that is so legit. A company that gives you something back. I mean, and that's the VIP thing that I spoke about, the thing that you put in your t-shirt. Obviously a great tool to utilize to show basically that you trade with gold. You are a person to talk to trade in gold. It's amazing. Right. This is an example of also the cards more in a close-up. You'll see this is what I spoke about. That is where the gold plate is. That looks like a 2.5 gram to be exact. Yeah, okay, you won't see it now, but it shows 2.5 gram. That's a fun part. So yeah, there's a 5 gram fine gold. It's also got the serial code. For instance, this is an example, K00228 for instance. I mean, this is so much fun. This is also my free link. It's a place where you can actually sign into. There's also my Facebook page. I've got my website there. I've got my email address. Also, if you feel that you need to ask me questions, there's something that you don't understand, there's something that you want me to make you understand, then phone me, because trust me, the system works. It works, it works, it works. You're going to make money, we're going to make money. At the end of the day, our children is going to make money, and we're going to have the life. That is the main point of doing this business and working from home. And the good thing is that you can make people's lives happy. It's not, like I said, something that they buy, they consume, and they're gone. This is a once-off thing. They buy the pack once, and then it's done. No recurring costs where every month you have to pay something. It's one payment. They own the gold. It's their choice what they want to do with the gold. It's so beautiful. It's amazing. Obviously, and I've got this list. You won't be able to see this now, but this is something that I've made. And once again, you can copy everything that I'm doing now. It's up to you. This is the thing where I send it to my clients. They complete it. Say, for instance, I send it to, the guy's name is Jack, for instance. I send it to Jack. I ask Jack, listen, my friend, you know the people in your lives. Please take this thing, give it to your family members, complete it with them, ask them would they would like to have an amazing opportunity regarding gold investment. please just write your names. I will give a personal presentation to all of them on a WhatsApp group. I'll send an email. I'll even go out to you if it need be. But the point being is just the system explains itself. It's so amazing. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you can, please subscribe to my channel. Another thing as well is you'll see that I will put a few descriptions in or I put basically a description in the description section. If you want to sign up, there's a free link you can go on once again. And if you have questions, send me a WhatsApp. Let me change your life. Work with me. I'll work with you. We can build a future in gold. Let's do this together, guys. We've got it in our hands. Booyah. Enjoy life. I'm enjoying myself at the moment, and I think my first video went amazing. Cheerio. Bye.